Hello, I'm Dr. Tolulope Alugo from St. John Cap. So kickstart our Learning About ADHD series, I wanted to take a few minutes to discuss what ADHD is and what it is not. ADHD is a short term for Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. What it is, it's a chronic neurodevelopmental disorder. What that means is that individuals with ADHD have differences in their brain structure, brain connectivity, and functioning. ADHD can pose a disability. It affects all ethnicities and all socioeconomic groups. It's not a disorder for just people who are less privileged or those who are very well educated. It goes across the spectrum. ADHD can commonly coexist with other conditions. It is treatable and people with ADHD can thrive with treatment and support. What ADHD is not. ADHD is not due to bad parenting. It's not because of bad diet, too much sugar, too little exercise, or too much TV, though we know that all those things don't help anybody. ADHD is not because the child is lazy, defiant, or unmotivated, and does not mean the individual is not intelligent. So over the next couple of weeks, I will be breaking down more information on ADHD, such as common symptoms that can be seen in the home and in the classroom setting, strategies to help your child at home with ADHD or to help your students in the classroom. Also, I will be interviewing a couple of professionals who have experience in this area. Look in the comment section for the link to subscribe to our newsletter. This will provide information to you on upcoming courses and any webinars that we may have planned in the coming weeks. Please share this information with your network and anybody that may find this interesting and of benefit. Thank you. Have a great day.